Hello! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First, we need to turn on our watch. To turn it on, simply press and hold the side button for a couple of seconds. After the watch turns on, we need to download and install the FFit application on our iPhone. So let's open the App Store on our iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on the search bar and type in FFit. Then tap Search button. You should see this application on the list, FFit. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. Let's press the side button. Oh my bad. Let's wake up the screen. Unlock it. Tap on Get. Double press the button to confirm. Tap on Install. For some reason I need to confirm the installation, so give me a second. I'm gonna enter the password. Then tap on Done. And now the app should start downloading, so let's wait. And after the application is done downloading, you can tap on the Open button to open it. And once you open the application, you will be asked to allow some permissions, and you can allow them or deny them. I'm gonna allow them, but if you want, you can deny them, of course. I'm gonna allow the permission for the location. This one you need to allow. This is the allowing the app to use Bluetooth. So if you want to pair the devices, you need to allow this one. Tap on OK. And now it's a good chance to check if the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. So open the panel, and as you can see on mine, it's enabled, but if it's disabled, enable it. The icon should be blue, basically. Okay, so once you enable the Bluetooth, you can tap on Agree and Continue. And here we can log in into an account. You can also create a new account by tapping on New User Registration. And you can also log in without creating an account. You can use the visitor login. Basically, not creating an account, you can just set up the profile and use the app. But if you want to keep your data after you remove the app, it's recommended to make an account so you can keep the data. I'm just gonna use the visitor login. Like I said before, now we need to set up the profile. Select the gender, birthday. Units, height, weight, and for some reason we need to select the skin color, and then we can tap Save. And once you're done setting up your profile, you can tap on Save. Now we can set up a goal for steps. Basically, we can use the slider to adjust it, then tap Save. Next we have a sleep target. So basically, how long do you want to sleep? And once you log in or you're done setting up your profile, this may pop up on your screen. Basically, you can allow some permission for the health. So we can allow the FFit to write these steps and to read these steps if you want to, by tapping the switches, and then you can tap on Allow. And now you should see the data page of the app. Tap on the Add Your Device right here. The app should start looking for the nearby devices, and once it finds the device called V31-020C, that's our watch, tap on it to select it. And after a second or two, this pop-up should appear on the screen. Tap on Pair. And at this point, our devices are paired. Also, you can allow the watch, or rather your iPhone, send the notifications to the watch. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't, tap on don't allow. I'm just gonna allow it. Okay, and that should be all. That's now the watch is paired with our phone. We can tell by the right here being, you can see the name of our watch. It says synced. Also on data page, you see the same. And on the watch, you can wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen, and here you have this icon. If you have this little line inside of the icon, inside of this chain, that means that the devices are connected. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.